Hello everyone, I am Amit. We are watching visualization of data playlist. In this we have covered line graph, bar graph, scatter graph, histogram, and today we will discuss area plot or stack graph. So area plot are pretty much like the line plot. They are also known as a stack plot by coloring the area between axis and the lines. The area chart throws more emphasis on just on the peaks throughout, but also the duration of the high and lows. The longer the duration of highs, the larger is the area under in this line. So in this graph, you will understand the value by the area covered by this. So we'll be using different colors to color the area so that it can easily be visualized. The plot can use to track change over time for two or more related groups that makes one or whole categories. So let's jump to our IDE and plot the graph. So we have imported PyPlot from Matplotlib library. Now you can see we have days as 1, 2, 3, 4, and how much time we spent on it. Like for PyPlot, we spent this much of time. Pandas, we spent this much of time. NumPy, we spent this much of time. So title, area, plot, or stack. X label is days, Y label is hours, and we use command to print or function to print a stack plot. Now we have given X as a days, matplot as a y, pandas as a y, and numpy as a y. So we have three variable for y. So we are checking the data against days. So let's print the graph again. You can see the graph is printed, but we don't have any legend here, right? What is the green and orange or blue values? So we will add the labels. But when you are doing the coloring, if you'll just add the labels, it won't print. You can see it here. Even though I have given labels, but we cannot see the labels because it is behind the color. So we need to create empty space, and then we have to add the label, and in that later we will add the graph. So we have created, you can see x and y as a blank, and we have just added the labels, so you can see easily labels and width of the labels. Okay, now we can just print this value. So you can see we have this label and the empty space. Okay, now we will add this in our graph. So earlier we have seen, right, stack plot. Now colors, we have given a list for different colors. M, C, and R, we can use different color. So let's change it to blue. And this only to print the labels, and everything is remains same. Let's print it. So you can see the color. So you can understand the data, like for duration from days, how much time I spent on numpy. You can see numpy I spent lots of time, but if we see this is a blue one, right? Actually I have changed the color code here, that's why it looks a little different. Let's change the color back to same and see now. Now you can see red color represent numpy, so I spent lots of time in numpy, and then on matplot I spent lots of time in pandas. At least I am giving time currently. So hope this is clear. So thanks for watching visualization of data playlist. We'll meet again with another graph. Till then, thanks for watching.